Well, this is a day I've been looking forward to for a long time. We've been granted special access to go behind the scenes at Arctic Trucks UK. We're going to see how much and what kind of work the guys here do to turn an Isuzu Dmax V-Cross into an Arctic Trucks AT35. Now, if you've not heard of Arctic Trucks before, chances are you probably have. So if you've watched Top Gear and the Guinness World Record for being the first vehicle to drive to the North Pole, it was an Arctic Truck and the Arctic Trucks team that did it with them. And what's really exciting is this is our actual AT35 demonstrator, and we're going to watch it being built. Now, I've been to many factories before, but Arctic Trucks is a whole different world.
Each Arctic truck is unique and built individually. A dedicated team is assigned to each Arctic truck to ensure quality and continuity, and they see that Arctic truck from start to finish.
To get to every area they need to, the front bumper is removed, front wings, and then the headlights. Great care is taken with every part removed, and it's wrapped and carefully stored until reassembly.
Now, if you look at the AT35 and think it's just a lift kit and flared wheel arches, you couldn't be further off the mark. It's completely re-engineered. The existing body mounts are removed and replaced by custom-made, redesigned mounts in a different place. These improve the clearance and form part of the reason why the AT35 performs so incredibly well on road and off. Every area touched has to be meticulously sealed beyond normal manufacturing standards. A comprehensive 6-stage preparation, sealing and protection process is followed, topped up with stone protection. Oh, and don't forget the completely new wheel arch liners. Then it starts to get even more exciting as the instantly recognisable huge new wheel arches are fitted. And whilst these look really cool, they're there to meet UK and EU standards to cover the wheels. In fact, everything at Arctic Trucks is function over form. It just happens to look good. The last step is wet sealing the exterior wing. Now, whilst time consuming, it was mesmerising to watch. The Arctic Trucks elevated Bilstein suspension is a unique suspension co-developed especially for the AT35, following a huge development and testing programme between Arctic Trucks and Bilstein. This suspension, along with the tyres, new body mounts and everything else the team do, give the AT35 its incredible capabilities.
Of course, there are some jobs that are easier than others. One of the final touches is adorning the AT35 with a badging before it's completed and goes into rigorous quality control checks. A huge thank you to the entire team at Arctic Trucks for allowing us behind the scenes. Now, of course, there was a huge amount we couldn't show you because it's classified and proprietary to Arctic Trucks. But it takes every team over 60 hours to produce every unique AT35. So if you're thinking it's just a lift kit and wheel art and flared wheel arches, that's not an AT35.